Welcome, welcome, welcome to Pip and Run the European session. My name is Dr. Greg McLeod, and we're about to get started. We had the FOMC minutes that came out today, and that gave the dollar a little bit of weakness, and we saw the majors rally, and a big hello, howdy do to all of you out there. And we have been trading like a banshee. It's been incredible. So we posted $201,000 that was traded. I did during the European session, and I know that Janie crushed it as well during the New York session. And so we're back again for our last day of the week. So I hope you got yourself strapped in and ready to go for this the Pip and Run scalping session. And we're going to take a look at the charts, and we'll see what we can find to trade, what's moving, what's popping, what's hopping, what's dropping, what's not in the markets. And I'm just going to bring up some charts. I know we did some we traded before. We did some C trader last time. We're gonna head back over to some trading view. Admit, okay, somebody in the waiting room. Okay, great. All right, cool. Let me go ahead and again, hello, Lewis. Welcome, welcome. Let me go ahead and share my screen, and we'll share our screen. Share our screen and share some sound. Maybe play some music or something. And here we go. We're going to here we go. We've got we're going to start the U.S. dollar index. U.S. dollar index is a basket of currencies versus the United States dollar. And we can see that we're taking a little bit of a dump here. Let me go ahead and we're going to a 4-hour chart, and we'll switch to the 1 chart here. Right, and we can see that we took a little bit of a dive or up, coming up on some support here on the 4-hour chart. I'm looking at our 4-hour chart here. 4-hour chart, yeah, there we go. And that way we get the nice overview of the market. We can zoom out even more, maybe out to a weekly or daily chart. We use most of the time frame analysis to analyze the markets. Again, a very, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, wherever you are in the world. And welcome to a big hello to our our YouTube friends who are seeing us on YouTube. And we will be broadcasting on YouTube for the next, say, 15, 20 minutes. And then we'll invite you to come over to the free Forex Facebook group that you can watch that there at the Forex Cash Machine. And right here is where you would find all the action coming up here, the live Forex day traders den. Invite you to become a member so you can watch the entire broadcast uninterrupted. And this is a great dynamic growing community where you can interface with other students and other traders from around the world, 785 strong and growing. And so I invite you to come over there, maybe even start get your membership going now. It's absolutely free, and that way you can be ready then when we switch over to Facebook. You'll be ready to go. Okay, so with that, let's get back to the analysis. Okay, we'll see it at the Forex live day traders room. Okay, we have we had this is our weekly chart. Nice move to the upside. However, we got a little bit of maybe a little bit of a sell-off, a little inside day right there. We had a pretty strong trend in the dollar index, US dollar index. And then we can walk it down from the weekly chart. I'll go ahead and hide that, and we'll walk it down to our daily chart. Now, daily charts, we're being a little bit of a rest, a little bit of a pullback, and the Fed minutes that we had. And let me bring this to see if there's any chat going on here too. Let me bring this over here. If anyone wanted to chat or say hi, big howdy do, say, take a quick look at the Restream chat board to see if there's anyone there that might want to say hi. Okay. Arnold, Arnie, how you doing? I see Arnie in the room. Yo, 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 yo. Nice to see you, Arnie. Great. Okay. So we're on the dollar index, the daily chart, walking it down. We can see that we got a little bit of a pullback. The Fed minutes seemed like they were maybe a little bit dovish. They didn't want to kill the goose that lays the golden eggs. We did have a big boost from NVIDIA posting revenue up 265% on booming AI business. And Dow futures are up 37 to S&P futures up 36, uh, uh, 0.75%. And then we have NASDAQ futures up 1.5%. And we also have gold making a surge to up 0.16%. And silver as well. So everything, a lot of the commodities are all in the green. And the Fed officials expressed caution about lowering rates too quickly at last meeting showed. So that's what the Fed minutes were released today. We walked to our 4-hour chart, and now we can see and we rallied into the Fed minutes, and then we've sold off. We still have an uptrend that has been pretty persistent with big pullbacks in between. Right, we have these pullbacks. Trying to find the end of this. I'll just draw a new line and just connect these here. So we actually, if we connect these two, we've got some breakage and maybe some structural change here in the where this line came from. Like, we're gonna remove it. There we go. Okay. That's not the one I wanted to remove. Okay. Let's try this again. Remove the line and draw. Okay. Connect these two swing points and extend into the future, or we can actually maybe use this one. I mean, actually, this one was broken and we've tested it and now we're trading below it. So maybe we come down to this 200 moving average here. Let's move down to 2-hour. And so we're going to run into some support right here. This is our 103. What was that? 103.82. So still probably a little bit of weakness, right? But we hit this area, we'll probably double bottom off this area, and we probably see a spring up, right? And I was maybe adjust this to this swing low, right? So we can still see maybe some upward push in the Aussie and the euro and the pound in the next few hours. And then we can see we're starting to stabilize here a little bit, so this is our 30-minute, 15-minute, 5-minute. Okay, so we are, seems like the dollar is slowing its momentum down, but it could continue. I mean, we could, come on down some more. So let's go ahead and take a look at my market heat map, was an arrangement of currency pairs by percentage change. But before that, I really want to look at the economic calendar, see if there's anything that we should be aware of that we need to keep our eye on, right? Keep my eye on you, Mr. Economic Calendar, and look at definitely the economic calendar has made us a lot of money this week. So this is the Wednesday, the 21st. Again, my name is Dr. Greg McLeod, and we're doing a little top-down analysis here before we pull the trigger on the charts. Thursday, we are Wednesday. Okay, we had our minutes that were high, and in 3 hours, we're going to have some European data because we're at the European session. And so we're going to have 3 hours, we'll see some movement. Yeah, 3 hours, we'll see some movement in the I'll check my clock there. And then we have CPI. So lots of the euro is going to be in play. Lots of European flags. So I like the euro coming up in the next 3 hours, and the euro is definitely something worth looking at. All right, and that'll be the anti-dollar. So we should see some big boost. In fact, I was doing a private session with Bill, our newest student, And I mean, our very first trade, we just went long euro dollar. I said, no, this euro is it's screaming to the upside. So I don't know if Bill's out there watching, and if he is, there it is. Yeah, we have a nice setup in euros, moving really nice, right? We have a nice uptrend, but we're gonna, we're running up, or just like the dollar was going to run up onto some support. We're gonna run into some resistance with the euro, and we have the 200th moving average on the 4 hour. But let's go back to let's get to where we live here. 15-second chart, maybe. Even in the European session, I like trading 15-second, right? And it looks like we've got some little action going on, right? A little pullback against the trend, perhaps. Maybe a little early, maybe a little premature, but not liking this pattern. We're trying, but let's see. Let's see if it has so a little more juice. We can hit 108.31, and we're at 108. That's like 3 pips. No. I think it's like the gas in the tank. Nice move though from tweezer bottoms at 82. And there it is. There's a push there for 82.29, one candle. Can we take that? Okay. See, that's what I was worried about, the gap there. So I'm long euro at one spot 0829. And I'm going to keep a tight stop on this because it is it's a late bloomer. It's something that's already moved and left the station, and I might try to grab 2 pips, 3 pips out of this. Really running in front of a freight train to try to grab a couple of coppers. And okay, I saw my name trying to enter the market. Oh, okay, got a little algae and a seaweed. Let's see a little green blend here. All right, ring the bell. $20. Okay. Let's see if we can pull out 160. I'm gonna wait for hit it again. There we go. Now we can see if we can hit 300. Okay. And the euro's been rallying for a bit, so we'll see how much gas it has left. And the noble and remarkable Cut the Rope has entered the room. Nice to see you, sir. Well, we've taken it to the banks. We have banks are crying. Yeah.
We'll get him a tissue later, sir. Good morning.
I know. We don't feel any remorse or regrets taking their money. And my fellow soldier in the finance field, the field of battle, that we go and capture our pips and bring them home. Right? Up. Quick turn there. Let's see if we would make it back to that old high. And we got mischief you into, my friends. Where you Kiwi dollar was so sweet, so beautiful. I mean, it was just such an amazing run. Yeah, I mean, this is now initially it was a little rough. It was, when we first got in and trying to scroll here. Right. Okay. Yeah. I mean, it was just the gift that just kept giving and 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 giving. And that was our little rough spot right there, right? So that was 94 percent win rate with uh 308 pips or something like that. And mhm. Let's see if we get one more pop to 108 83. If not, we might have a southbound train because we've got some Fibonacci. Yeah, yeah, we're at the 786. So either the Fibonacci last resort will hold, or either we break and we go for the old high for a double top. And I'm going to try the. I'm going to go see if we get the trend line break and see if we can take that high out. Got long again at 108.29, so we got 3 positions in, and see if we can take that on up to the 108.31 area. Currently, we've got we had a spike low down at 108.18, so we're moving off that, moving on, and see if this actually holds. Then we get some European news. It's still 3 hours away, and so let's we can try maybe an expansion, Fibonacci expansion, going from swing low of 108.81 to swing high of 108.28 or so. Pull back down to the 108.23 area. Look for an extension. 100% expansion happens to be 108.31. So let's see if it will get there or go square, right? We're having right above this 618. And we have a little minor swing low at 108.28. And if we turn down below that, I might just go ahead and bail on this position and look for a possible short. So we're at 29. So I'll look for a candle to reach through this. So that'll be my mental stop. If mental stops, you're crazy of mental stops, right? Yeah, but I'm on these really small time frames. If you put that stop in there, the spread just widens out and it breathes. And the moment it breathes, you get stopped out, right? So here we go. Okay. Here we go. And yeah, looks like we had a little bit of like trying to get the car started. And I'm watching this area. 11:55, also about 5 minutes before midnight. And sometimes we get just like the full moon comes out, the werewolf, The man turns into a werewolf. Midnight. You know, a lot of some midnight lunacy. Let's see. 108, one spot 0829, trading the euro versus US dollar on the 15-second chart. Again, my name is Dr. Greg McLeod from Elite Traders University. So good to be with you here in the European session. And here we go. And there we go. There we go. There we go.
All aboard!
There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's ring the bell. We're up, and we should be moving to Target. Hopefully not Walmart. Maybe we can get maybe even $500 out of it. Maybe 510, maybe. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Taking its time. 240, and we got long, and now we are in the money. We got a little close there. I'm gonna the 300. I took it. It kind of it flinched at me, right? So I don't. So it might still go up. I saw a little flicker in the candle and decided to get out, but we're probably going to reach up to that 108.31 area. And thank you so much. Thank you. Right. So I think we made a little bit of money for the YouTube group. So again, I want to invite you guys to come over to the Facebook group. Absolutely free. The live Forex day traders den effortlessly pull out daily profits quickly without stress. Come to the live Forex day traders group. Become a member. Go ahead, and we're going to go ahead and transfer over the people who are on Facebook, our Facebook members on the den. Let's go ahead and you can go ahead and remain. I'm going to give you a link that you can become a member, and then that way you can join all the fun there. Let me go ahead and get that wonderful the group, and it's actually it says Gold Rush Blueprint, but it's to our main group, the Live Day Traders group. Go ahead and we're gonna hit the group invite. I'm gonna place that in the chat box for you. And let's go ahead and send that your way. And there's also, not only do you get to become part of our community, what you'll get inside, exact strategies for making profits right now, learn how to get up to like $100,000 funded trading account and keep 80 to 90% of the profits, exclusive pro trader resource kit for free, live trading sessions with Dr. Greg and Cut the Rope, and live Q&As. So make sure you come on in and take part of this invitation, and fill out the invitation, and the button will take you directly into the Facebook group, and we'll go ahead and get you to continue the journey with us. Okay. So again, thank you so much. I see Carol and Arnie and Patch. Hey, Patch, nice to see you there. And so we're going to We're going to end the stream here on YouTube. We'll see you on Facebook. Okay. Again, come over to the Facebook group, and then we'll switch that up. All right.